Poor old granddad laughed at all his words. I thought he was a better man. He spoke of women's ways. Well, they trap you and they use you before you even know. But love is blind and you're far too kind. Don't ever let it show. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger. Well, the can's such a pretty show. It steals your heart away. When backstage, back on earth again, those dressing rooms are gray. Well, they come on strong and it ain't too long. Gonna make you feel a man. But love is blind and you soon shall find you're just a boy again. When you want her lips but you get a cheek, it makes you wonder where you are. Well, then you want some more, but she's fast asleep. Man, she's twinkling with the stars. Poor young grandson, oh, there's nothing I can say. You have to learn, oh, just like me, and that's the hardest way. Ooh la la, ooh la 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 la. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, ooh la la, ooh la 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 la, yeah, yeah. You know, it's cold, but I'm trying to give you a little cheer. Something to be cheery and playful. What else you gonna do out here? How else you gonna find ways to entertain yourself, macho? You gonna serenade the girls? You gonna sing for them? Oh, you're gonna be shy, buddy. Oh, shy buddy. Oh, shy buddy. You're just being shy 'cause I'm here. You're not shy when I walk away, though. Look at that handsome boy. Look at that handsome boy. Look at them pretty girls. Yeah, have some breakfast. Have some breakfast. We'll find some more things to get in trouble. I promise we'll get in all kinds of trouble. Got nothing to lose, right?